Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Apps Academy. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to sign up for a Grab account. Grab is a popular ride-hailing, food delivery and digital wallet app across Southeast Asia. In order to sign up and create a new account for Grab, first of all go to your Google Play Store or your App Store and download the Grab application and install it on your device. Once installed, tap the Grab icon to launch the app. From the first homepage of Grab, go ahead and tap on the sign up button at the bottom left. Go ahead and enter your phone number and then your country code and then tap next at the bottom. You will receive a 6-digit verification code to your mobile number via SMS. You can also go and open up WhatsApp to receive the verification code if you have got the app. After typing down the code, go to the next page and type in your name. Click on Next and allow access for your location. And right after you do that, you will be able to sign up for your new account. Now that your Grab account is set up, you can start booking rides, ordering food, or using Grab Pay. That was how it's easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I will see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.